Hey guys, so this morning's mod is going to be restoring the black trim color on the door handles. And I'm also going to be installing some accent aluminum trim pieces that'll go, they're like inserts, they'll go inside the door handle on the outside and just kind of look good, I guess. Show you what we're doing here. So first step first would be to mask off with painter's tape the handle. You don't want to get the forever black all over the body of the door. This is what I'm using. I've used it before with really good results, so I'm going to be doing that today. All you need to do really is shake it up and get a little applicator pad or brush, dab it on there, smear it in, and then you just wait 15 to 20 minutes for it to dry, and it brings the color back. Start that now. You don't want to apply this in direct sunlight either. I've got a nice overcast day today, so decided it's a good time to do it. You also want to treat this area first with like rubbing alcohol to get any dirt, grime, silicone, anything off of the handle, so that this forever black has something to adhere to. If you don't, it'll just probably come off easier. This product lasts, I think the last time I did this on my 2012, it lasted a few years before having to do it again. Somewhat expensive at, I think that bottle's about 27 bucks. Get all the cracks and crevices. Hardest part is getting in between this little doorknob. Definitely wear gloves when you use this because it will stain your hands, and it is very hard to get off. Last time I did this without gloves, it took close to a week. If you have a really small brush, you could probably get in here easier. It's the hardest part. That's the idea. And then you just want to let it sit for about 15-20 minutes. Alright. Alright, now that we let that sit up a bit, I can go ahead and put these inserts in. They come with screws. want to kind of put it, oh yeah, there's a contour here on the side. You want to make sure that that's facing the door handle and that the flat side is out. I mean, you can't install it the other way, so you'll figure it out. Just kind of center it where you think it's best. One thing I wish was that these came with colored screws, but you can go ahead and take touch-up paint and just put it on the head, and then it won't stand out as much. That's it. Just do that times 4 and you're good to go. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Okay, so here's the final product. Brought some color back to the handles and installed that little accent trim.